Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix lag and glitches during editing in CapCut. Now simply start by clicking on your menu. You can see the menu at the top. Once you click on that, just locate your settings and then click on settings. Then go to your performance section. Now once you get to your performance section, you are going to see this place. You see this encode and decode. Make sure that these two are turned on. Speed up hardware encoding and speed up hardware decoding. So make sure that both of them are turned on. And apart from that, you see this interface rendering. Make sure you also turn this on. It's very important because this is actually going to speed up your editing process while you are using your CapCut app. And once you are done turning this on, do not forget to click your save to apply changes. Next, you have to turn on your Prosy. The Prosy is actually in the same section. So once you click in your menu, click on settings, click on performance, you're going to see Prosy at the bottom. You can see it in here. So simply turn on your Prosy and also click on save. Now, the last thing that you actually need to adjust is your quality, like your preview quality. Now, normally you're going to see your preview quality in here. You can see at the top over here, you can see playback quality. So all you have to do, just click on this section and then you can see that there are different options. So I would recommend that you either use medium or you use low. So once you use low and then you play your video, you're mostly going to observe that the quality while you are previewing your video is quite low. So let me play this video so you can see the quality is actually low. So let me put it in medium and then let me play it. So you see that the quality is actually quite low. Now the reason why it's low is because it's actually reducing the quality, so it's going to be able to preview your video faster without it lagging. But this is not going to affect your exported video. So once you export your video is still going to be having your high quality. It's not going to be affected. It's just going to be reduced in here so that at least you'll be able to preview your videos much more faster and much more better. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1,000 subscribers for a while now and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.